Welcome to our culinary adventure. Today we are going to make something special, delicate marble cookies, seductively drenched in the flavor of chocolate. Ingredients needed: 160 grams flour, 200 grams powdered sugar, 50 grams of cocoa, 10 grams yeast, pinch of salt, 60 grams. Butter, 2 eggs plus 100 grams powdered sugar for dusting. First, mix the dry ingredients: flour, powdered sugar, cocoa, and baking powder. Try to buy good quality cocoa for the recipe so that the flavor of the cookies will be well revealed. Then mix everything well with a whisk. I also sifted all the dry ingredients through a sieve beforehand. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt. It will help to reveal the flavor of the chocolate. You can also add a little cinnamon. It's up to your taste. Stir well. In a separate container, beat 2 eggs. You can use a fork or a whisk, but I use a mixer. It's faster. I beat the eggs for about 40 seconds on high speed. Eggs send to the dry products and add butter at room temperature. If you forgot to get the butter in advance, can be melted slightly in the microwave. The main thing that it does not melt. And mix the dough well until homogeneous. This is what the dough should look like in the end. It's quite thick, but very sticky. I cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for about 1.5 to 2 hours. We need the dough to harden and it will be much easier to work with. When the dough is well cooled, shape it into small balls no bigger than walnuts. When all the balls are ready, put them in a bowl with icing sugar and roll them well in icing sugar. In the powder are our future cookies. It is not necessary to shake off the powder from the balls. I decided to try make cookies in the shape of a heart, and in principle it turned out not bad. I made the cookies using a pre-form. If you don't have anything like that, terrible things can be done without such a form. You can do it with the help of a knife during baking. This test is used in detail and is not distributed. We also mean the Sahara. Next, prepare a baking tray covered with parchment paper or silicone mat. Place the biscuits on the tray with some space between them, as they will expand during baking. Bake in a preheated oven at 190 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on size. It is during baking that our chocolate balls crack and the cookies get such a beautiful marbled look. I place them on a rack to cool completely and place them in a box or bag and store them airtight. Heat cookies come out crispy on top and very soft and tender inside with a bright chocolate flavor. Every step of the process is filled with care and attention to detail. This recipe is the perfect combination of delicate flavor and luxury. Enjoy every amazing bite of marbled chocolate chip cookies. Don't forget to leave your feedback in the comments and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on new recipes and cooking ideas. See you soon for the next video.